Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by setting the minimal prerequisites, genome build and species, because motifs map differently across assemblies. Next, open Jaspar via the web or initialize the REST API. This is how you'll fetch profiles. Start a focus search for a transcription factor name or motif ID and pick the curated collection for highest quality matrices. Once done, note the format you need: meme, transfac, or Jaspar flat, because downstream tools require specific matrix formats for scanning and visualization. You now move into extracting and tailoring the position weight matrices. Use filters to narrow by taxonomic group, collection type, and sequence length so results are relevant. If using the web, click Download and select meme or Jaspar format. If using the API, request the PWM endpoint and parse JSON or flat text. Then, customize background nucleotide frequencies and add pseudocounts if your input sequences are small. This improves scoring accuracy when you later scan genomes or peak regions. You finish by scanning target sequences and validating results. Run FEMO or another motif scanner with the PWM and your selected p-value threshold, because conservative thresholds reduce false positives. Then visualize motif occurrences in genome browsers or aggregate signal around peaks to confirm biological relevance. If results look wrong, make sure the genome assembly matches your coordinate system. Check that you used the curated motif version and adjust the background model. These fixes resolve most mismatches and missing hit issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.